this video, I'll show you how to add smooth transitions between pages in Canva. First, open your project. Then, click the Show Page Thumbnails button in the bottom right corner. Move your cursor between the two page thumbnails where you want to add a transition. Click the Add Transition icon that appears. On the left panel, you'll find various transition options to choose from. Select your preferred transition style, then adjust the duration and direction settings to suit your needs. If you want to apply the same transition throughout your entire project, simply click Apply between all pages. And that's all there is to it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.